To copy your handwritten note to the clipboard on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Samsung Note app, open your handwritten note, tap the pencil with a magic wand icon at the bottom right. If needed, you can adjust the selected area of the handwritten note you'd like to copy by dragging the blue line at the top or bottom of the selected area. Next, tap Convert to Text to convert the selected handwriting to text. Once done, you can tap Copy icon at the bottom of the screen to copy the converted text to your clipboard, so you can use it on another apps. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.